Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. Not much is happening in the global markets and not expected also, क्योंकि ये जो last 10 days होता है of the year, that's when you see very quiet markets. There have been instances in the past, जब last 10 days में we have seen big moves because क्या होता है कि participation dries up dramatically, right? In such a situation, what happens, any kind of a position squaring can create a sudden move. But अभी तक जो सिचुएशन है, yes, we are seeing some moves in the global equity markets. जैसे कल there was a big down move in global equities. But at least USDINR में कोई बड़ा मूव तो लग तो नहीं रहा. हो सकता है कि 83, 16, 17 जहां पे अभी ट्रेड कर रहा है, it might drift up a little towards 83.30 जहां से ये नीचे आया था. Or it might drift down a little and retest 83. So it's not going to do much. The question is, what kind of trade you can do? See, any trade which you do now, you have to take an undue risk because odds are literally 50-50, which basically means it's random now. Because जो straddle short या strangle short का जो premiums है, उसमें unless you can clearly figure out that the next 10 paisa move will be up or down, you may not make much money or you may not make any money. Right? So just, even if you're doing those trades now, short straddle, short strangle, keep your position sizes small. वो important है अभी. Preserve your capital. This is the time you go enjoy your holidays and trade small in the market because any moves are false moves. And what we have seen is that generally जो इस time में move होता है, अगर कोई move होता है in the market, that those are retraced during the first 2 weeks of January. So what to trade? Short straddle, short strangle. Support level 83.10, 83 resistance 83.30, 83.40 on the USDINR. अगर buy on dips करना है तो 83 के नीचे stop लगा के आप कर सकते हो, but then you try to buy if it pulls back below 83.10 because it doesn't make sense to buy at something at 83.70 or 83.20 with a stop below 83 when you are basically targeting just 10 paisa or max 15 paisa. Cross currencies में euro INR, GBP INR, उसमें भी we don't expect any big moves at this point in time. We expect more of range bound price action across the board. कल यूएस का जो हाउस सेक्टर का डेटा था, that was better than expected, which was basically the existing home sales, और consumer confidence was also stronger. और यूके से जो सीपीआई था, इन्फ्लेशन, दैट वाज मच लोअर देन व्हाट द मार्केट वाज एंटिसिपेटिंग. तो ये सिचुएशन में हुआ क्या है कि जीबीपी डॉलर हैज कम डाउन, सो जीपीआईएनआर कैन बी अंडर प्रेशर टुडे. यूरो डॉलर इज ट्रेडिंग फ्लैट, सो नॉट मच मूव इज एक्सपेक्टेड देयर. और and what we are seeing in USD JPY is that USD JPY is again pulling back. So yen INR might open a slightly hard, but again stay range bound. So we are not seeing big triggers in these markets, Euro INR, GBP INR and JPY INR. Intraday में हल्का सा movement मिल सकता है, तो you can play that. Better to avoid carrying positions overnight. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.